So people always ask me, what's the difference between Cycles and Octane? So I had the help of the internet and the AI gods who helped me with this here. So basically, I quickly summarized the differences of Octane, and I watered it down to a very simple one. So Cycles, 3, 2, 1. So here is the holy question. What is the difference between Cycles versus Octane render engine? So if you can think about it like this, Cycles will be your Swiss Army knife, and then Octane will be your Alexa high-end cinema camera. So you got Cycles is basically going to be your reliable best friend, okay? It's the built-in engine, it's safe, it's 100% easy to use, it's 100% free, it's very stable. All the tutorials on the internet are basically using Cycles, right? And it's best for beginners, people on a budget, cartoon stylized looks with Eevee and all of that. Now, if we jump over to Octane, Octane would be kind of like the photorealistic specialist. Okay, it's a separate add-on, and it's famous for making things look photogenic, and that's why I came from Cinema 4D, and everybody was using Octane at that time. So that's why I kind of like this, and I drifted towards this. It's different as far as lighting. It uses a spectral lighting system which calculates light in real science for better understanding of light dispersion through a rainbow. Basically, like it takes all the colors that come out of the rainbow and uses that. Unlike Cycles uses basically RGB. We won't get into any more detail in that. Octane is best for high-end jewelry renders, super realistic stuff, car renders. And also, one thing that's good about Octane, it really works well with big complex scenes with billions of polygons, especially in the new 2026 feature. We're going to have meshlets, where I won't get into meshlets, but meshlets allows you to base it kind of like, it's like a real-time optimizer on on the polygons based on your view. So that's going to be coming into the pipeline here. It's already in beta. And then the vibe basically coming from Octane is it's got that photogenic look right out of the box. Cycles can do it, but it takes a little bit more work to get it. Cycle kind of has that perfect look, that perfect game look almost. So that would be kind of the difference. And then there's some other final detail. Again, the cost. Cycles is completely free. Octane is free for a single GPU. If you want to run multiple GPUs, then you need to pay. The lighting again uses 3 colors on Cycles: red, green, blue. Octane acts like a real light wave, basically uses all the colors in the rainbow. Octane is already built into, Cycles is built into Blender. You hit F12, it renders. Octane is now in an add-on version, which is in beta, which is getting a hell of a lot better. Trust me, I used to use it before there was a beta and it was garbage. Now it's absolutely on point and getting better by the months. Speed-wise, Cycles is very fast on an RTX 90. If you got a 5090 card, Cycles is blazingly quick. Also, Octane is fast and sometimes feels snappier in the viewport when you're moving things around. So which should you use? You can use Cycles if you want to just work in Blender. You don't want to deal with crashes. You don't want to ever spend any money. And it's basically the king as far as standard renders that come straight out of the box out of Blender, right? If you want to use Octane, you want your work to look a little bit more like movie style, realistic photos, real diamonds, real glass skin. Octane basically wins on that side there. So it's up to you guys. I got a community, free community you can join. If you guys are watching this on Instagram, you can comment OTC and I'll send you a video on how to set it up. Or if you want, you can also jump into my free community. And I got a 101 guide that teaches you everything that I know as I'm learning about Blender Octane. And again, you can use them both. They're free. I actually personally have Cycles and Octane, 2 different scenes built into my scenes. So if I want to work on Cycles, boom, I'm on Cycles. If I want to work on Octane on this project, I switch over to the Octane. So it's not like which is better. It's like which is better for that project. Peace.